my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I will show you how you can get fair and spotless skin with this simple remedy. This is a very easy method and you will find all the ingredients at your home. This method is so easy you can do it anytime you want. So my ingredients are aloe vera and lemon. Aloe vera or aloe vera based products can be used in the winter as well as in the summer and by people of all skin types. I have aloe vera plant in my house and you can also keep one too at your home. So at first, cut a aloe vera leaf from the plant. Here I have already cut the leaf from the aloe vera plant. I have also cut a piece from the aloe vera leaf here. So I will cut the aloe vera leaf into half. At first, cut the sides. The cactusy part between the sides of the leaves might hurt you a bit while doing the method. So it's better to cut the sides. Next, I'm going to cut the aloe vera in half. Next, I'm going to sprinkle few drops of lemon on the aloe vera leaf and I will rub it on my skin. I will rub this aloe vera for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes of rubbing the aloe vera on the skin, wash it off with water. You will see after using this remedy that your skin has lightened a lot just from the first use. This method is very effective. After that, pat dry your skin. Friends, in the same video, I am going to show you another tip of aloe vera with vitamin E capsule. So here is another part of the aloe vera. So I am taking a vitamin E capsule. So here I will put few drops of vitamin E oil on the aloe vera and I am going to rub it on my skin. If you don't want to use lemon, you can cut one vitamin E capsule and put few drops of vitamin E on the aloe vera leaf and rub it on your skin for 5 to 7 minutes. Vitamin E oil is very helpful for people with dry skin. It helps you to moisturize your skin and it also helps you to lighten your skin. After rubbing it for 5 to 7 minutes, wash it off with normal water. You can also use packaged aloe vera gel if you don't have aloe vera plant at your home. Now pat dry your skin and apply moisturizer after pat drying it. Friends, you can see the difference just from the first use. Look at my hands. Already these parts of my fingers have lightened a lot. Can you see? This method is very effective for people who have really dark body parts. You can also use it on your face, on your legs, on your elbows and knees to lighten the dark parts. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and comment this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing beauty tips. Thank you. Bye bye.